Nature is a genius, constantly pushing animals to adapt and survive in the most surprising ways. From the depths of the oceans to the heart of the rainforest, our planet is teeming with life. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of animal adaptations, from creatures that can freeze themselves solid to those that become invisible to predators. Stick around because the last adaptation is something straight out of science fiction. Our journey begins in the coral reefs, home to a creature that embodies patience and lethal precision. This, my friends, is the stonefish, the most venomous fish in the world. Lurking on the ocean floor, it lies perfectly still, its mottled skin mimicking the texture and color of the surrounding rocks. Embedded in its back are 13 spines, each loaded with a venom so potent it can kill a human in minutes. Imagine, for a moment, the excruciating pain of stepping on those venomous spines. The stonefish is a stark reminder that appearances can be deceiving. Our next destination takes us from the warmth of the tropics to the frigid forests of North America, where the landscape is blanketed in snow and ice. Here, we encounter a remarkable creature that seems to laugh in the face of winter's harshness. This, my friends, is the wood frog, a tiny amphibian with an extraordinary ability to survive the cold. As temperatures plummet and the landscape turns into a frozen wasteland, the wood frog doesn't seek shelter. Instead, it freezes solid, becoming one with the ice. Yes, you heard that right. The wood frog allows itself to freeze completely. Its body becomes encased in ice, its heartbeat and breathing ceasing entirely, as if it were a lifeless statue. But the wood frog has a secret weapon, a natural antifreeze that protects it from the deadly effects of freezing. As winter approaches, its body produces a type of glucose that acts like antifreeze, preventing the formation of ice crystals in its vital organs and tissues. In this state of suspended animation, the wood frog can survive for weeks, even months, frozen solid in the icy grip of winter, defying the odds. And then, as spring arrives and the warmth returns, something truly miraculous happens. The frog thaws, its frozen body slowly coming back to life as if awakening from a long, icy slumber. Our journey now takes us underground to the intricate network of tunnels and burrows that lie beneath the vast and sprawling African savanna. Here in this subterranean world lives a creature that is as bizarre as it is fascinating, a true marvel of nature. This, my friends, is the naked mole rat, a hairless rodent with wrinkled skin and a remarkable set of adaptations that make it unique. Blind and buck-toothed, the naked mole rat might not win any beauty contests, but its true beauty lies beneath the surface, in its extraordinary biological traits. This extraordinary creature has evolved to thrive in a harsh, oxygen-deprived environment where most other animals would struggle to survive. And it possesses a superpower that has captivated scientists and researchers alike. An almost complete immunity to pain, a trait that is incredibly rare in the animal kingdom. The naked mole rat also displays an astonishing resistance to cancer, a feature that has made it a subject of intense scientific study. The naked mole rat, a creature that at first glance might seem strange and even repulsive, is a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution, showcasing how life can adapt in the most unexpected ways. Chapter 4: The Draco Lizard, a Gliding Marvel. Our adventure now takes us to the lush rainforests of Southeast Asia, where we encounter a creature that seems to defy gravity. This, my friends, is the Draco lizard, a small reptile with an extraordinary ability. It can glide. The Draco lizard doesn't have wings in the traditional sense, but it has something just as effective: flaps of skin that extend from its ribs. With a flick of its wrist, the Draco lizard launches itself into the air, its patagia catching the wind and carrying it effortlessly from tree to tree. Chapter 5: The Cuttlefish, Master of Disguise and Deception. Our exploration now takes us beneath the waves once more, to the coral reefs and seagrass meadows where we encounter a creature that is as intelligent as it is beautiful. This, my friends, is the cuttlefish, a master of disguise and deception. The cuttlefish possesses thousands of pigment sacs called chromatophores, which it can control with remarkable precision. These chromatophores allow the cuttlefish to blend in seamlessly with its surroundings, mimicking the colors and patterns of coral, sand, or seaweed. It can also use its chromatophores to communicate with other cuttlefish, attract mates, and even hypnotize its prey. The cuttlefish's mastery of camouflage and communication is a testament to the power of intelligence in the animal kingdom. Chapter 6: The Axolotl, the real-life Wolverine. Our journey now takes us to the ancient waterways of Mexico, where we encounter a creature that seems to possess a superpower straight out of science fiction. This is the axolotl, an amphibian with an astonishing ability. It can regenerate lost body parts. The axolotl can regenerate almost any part of its body, including its limbs, spinal cord, and even parts of its brain. Scientists believe that the axolotl's regenerative abilities are due to a unique combination of genes and stem cells. The axolotl's regenerative powers have captivated scientists and medical researchers alike. Imagine the possibilities if we could unlock the secrets to the axolotl's regenerative abilities and apply them to human medicine. Chapter 7: The Mantis Shrimp, the underwater boxer with a sonic boom punch. Our exploration now takes us to the tropical and subtropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans, where we encounter a creature that packs a punch like no other. This, my friends, is the mantis shrimp, a small but formidable crustacean with a reputation for its incredible speed and power. The mantis shrimp's club-like appendages can strike with such speed and force that they create cavitation bubbles, tiny pockets of vapor that implode with tremendous energy. These cavitation bubbles generate shock waves that can stun or kill prey, even cracking the shells of crabs and snails. The mantis shrimp's incredible speed and power are a testament to the remarkable adaptations that can arise in the animal kingdom. Chapter 8: The tardigrade, the toughest animal on Earth. Our journey now takes us to the microscopic world, where we encounter a creature that is as indestructible as it is adorable. This, my friends, is the tardigrade, also known as the water bear or moss piglet. The tardigrade can withstand extreme temperatures, pressures, and radiation levels that would kill most other life forms. When faced with extreme conditions, the tardigrade enters a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis. The tardigrade's incredible resilience has made it a favorite subject of scientists studying extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments. Chapter 9: The bombardier beetle, the walking chemical weapon. Our adventure now takes us to the woodlands and grasslands of every continent except Antarctica, where we encounter a creature that has evolved a unique and explosive defense mechanism. This, my friends, is the bombardier beetle, a small but formidable insect that packs a chemical punch. The bombardier beetle has evolved specialized glands that produce and store two separate chemicals, hydroquinone and hydrogen peroxide. When threatened, the beetle mixes these chemicals in a combustion chamber within its abdomen, triggering a violent chemical reaction. The bombardier beetle's chemical defense mechanism is a marvel of evolutionary engineering. Chapter 10: The immortal jellyfish reversing time. Our final destination takes us to the depths of the ocean, to a world of perpetual twilight and creatures that seem to defy the laws of nature. Here, in the mysterious and dark waters, life thrives in ways that are both fascinating and bewildering. This, my friends, is the immortal jellyfish, a creature that holds the secret to eternal youth. It is a marvel of nature, a tiny organism with an extraordinary ability that has baffled scientists for years. The immortal jellyfish, scientifically known as Turritopsis dohrnii, possesses this extraordinary ability. It is the only known creature capable of reverting its cells to a more primitive state, effectively turning back the hands of time. When faced with injury, starvation, or other forms of stress, this remarkable creature can revert its cells to their earliest form, essentially transforming itself back into a polyp, its juvenile stage. This ability to reverse its life cycle is nothing short of miraculous. This process, known as transdifferentiation, allows the immortal jellyfish to escape death and begin its life cycle anew. By transforming its cells, it can avoid the finality of death and continue to live on, potentially indefinitely. The immortal jellyfish, a creature that seems to hold the key to immortality, is a testament to the boundless wonders of the natural world. Its existence challenges our understanding of life and death and reminds us of the incredible resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. From the camouflage of the stonefish to the regenerative powers of the axolotl, these adaptations prove that animals are the ultimate survivors, constantly evolving in ways that seem almost supernatural. Which adaptation amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible stories from the natural world. Until next time, stay curious.